Honestly, I've been testing both the Xiaomi 17T Pro and the OnePlus 15 side by side, and this one's actually a close fight. Starting with performance, both phones are absolute beasts. The OnePlus 15 runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, while the Xiaomi 17 Pro uses the Dimensity 9500. In real-world use, both fly through gaming, multitasking, and heavy apps without breaking a sweat. Now the display, OnePlus goes slightly sharper and smoother with a higher refresh rate feel, but Xiaomi wins in brightness. Both look flagship level, no complaints here. Battery life is where things get interesting. The OnePlus 15 packs a massive 7300 mAh cell, and you actually feel it. It easily lasts longer than the Xiaomi's 7000 mAh battery. Cameras, Xiaomi wins for zoom thanks to its periscope setup, while OnePlus gives you more balanced shots overall. So which one wins? If you want battery and balanced performance, go OnePlus 15. But if you're into zoom photography, Xiaomi 17T Pro takes it. Honestly, you can't go wrong with either.